Greetings to all our listeners. Ido chakiti tapepele momo. Our last lesson we learned possible questions in konkomba. Takoko abem na ye mwa bam kinyen le pone. Today we are going to learn verbs. Ding batibai bekalam ayen to an verbs nala. Ni anabo mangu ilemo Joseph Lilena. It is your brother Mangu Ilmo Joseph speaking. Before that, please follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Lekwapan to the world. Let's start from here. Chatipi Indo China. What is a verb? By a verb. What is a verb? Babakanye verb. Verbs are words in a sentence that describe what the subject is doing. Verbs are words in a sentence that describe what the subject is doing. Verb leye libɔbil lembe libɔliim poni kitok unii be Tiwan ŋani puna. Verb leye libɔbil lembe libɔliim poni kitok unii be Tiwan ŋani puna. Examples of verb: Gii, eat; Mɔn Cook, Nyu Drink; Mɔn Cook. Sign, pound; Jack be Gii Cut; do, Gaa Sing. Junn, quench; no, gbii, draw near; draw near. Ŋmee, right; call, yen; ŋmee, right; call, yen. We use these words to form sentence. Together, mbɔbil gban kidinga mbɔliim. Obo ŋmee tijiir a. Can the child eat? Obo ŋmee tijiir a. Can the child eat? Nga ŋmee mayimbil. I can write my name. Nga ŋmee mayimbil. I can write my name. The word ŋmee and write are verb. Mbɔliim ŋmee and write leye verbs. Yen ajo, call your friend. Yen ajo, call your friend. Yen be call. Bekan yen call namaleye verb. Don't do that. Tanga kina. Don't do that. Tanga kina. Do be nga lekwa pone leye verb. Aneltwen na apelitibona. Thanks for listening. This is the end of our today's lesson. Tadeng amomo lena. See you next time. Take care top in your munchona. It is Lekwapan to the world that brought this to you. Thank you.